In the Revolution, horses were more than transport, they were the engine of the Continental Army, carrying messages, supplies, and victory. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In colonial America, horses were everything: transportation, labor, communication, and war. Without horses, the revolution could not have been fought. Farmers plowed with horses. Merchants hauled goods. Doctors, ministers, and messengers rode them across muddy roads and long distances. Colonists bred strong, versatile horses, mixing English stock with hardy local breeds for endurance, strength, and calm temperaments. Horses required constant care, feeding hay and grain, cleaning hooves, shoeing by blacksmiths, and protecting them from illness and injury. During the Revolution, horses carried officers, scouts, artillery teams, and cavalry, making speed, mobility, and surprise possible. War was brutal on horses. Many died from exhaustion, starvation, wounds, or exposure, often suffering alongside the soldiers they served. Supplies, cannons, and food moved only as fast as horses could pull them, making horse shortages a constant threat to armies. Horses were the muscle of independence. They carried news, armies, and the revolution itself, step by step toward freedom.